Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Jahnavi and you're watching Study with Jahnavi channel. So in today's session, we are going to talk about how do toppers study. Tips and techniques need to become an exam topper. How do toppers study? Everyone wants to top an exam, but is anyone even thought how do toppers study? Every individual do lots of work to attain success, but some tips and techniques make the difference. All these starts with your thinking, your thoughts make you what you want to be. If you want to complete any work in given time period, then you must manage your time according to the situation. With the help of time management, you can easily complete your stuff. You will get some helpful tips and techniques to become an exam topper by going through an underneath segment in this video. Most useful tip to become an exam topper is having positive mind. Positive mind leads to positive results. You just need to be positive and make some strategies which will help you to top in exams. Nothing can be achieved without proper planning and dedication. Second one, avoid being nervous. Confidence is required in all the circumstances in your whole life. Confidence is the major boost to achieve something in your life. But if you are nervous, you are reducing the opportunity of being a topper. All you have to do is to have faith in your work and work in a strong-minded way. Third one, dedication and determination. To become a topper in school or college, commitment and firm strength of mind are two most important qualities that a student needs, and you require to dedicate yourself to your studies and keep yourselves away from interruptions. You must learn with such dedication as nothing distracts your mind. Fourth one, time management. You must keep a track of all the activities that you perform in your day from getting up in the morning to going to sleep. This will help you in finding out your unnecessary time that you are giving to something. You must set a target for yourself. Give proper time to every subject. Fifth one, smart reading material. You should always study the material which is conceptually strong to make your base. As reading more material will always make you confused and you will not able to remember anything. For this, you can also take help of your teachers or anyone who could help you in providing smart reading materials. Sixth one, testing your preparation regularly. Regular self-analysis is the best way of self-improvement. Nobody is a born topper. Hard work and determination makes you a topper. Competing with others is good, but before that, you should compete with yourself. Set targets for you and analyze whether you are able to meet them or not. Constantly increasing graph of self-improvement will let you know about your preparation. Seventh one, believe in yourself. One of the best habits of topper is believing in themselves. True essence of topper's preparation is believing in himself or herself. Self-motivation is always a booster for the success. You should have that confidence that I can do this work. If you don't believe in yourself, it doesn't matter how talented you are or how big your dreams are. And some more tips to become an exam topper. Set a long-range goals and objectives. And you can have different effective study methods. And also you can have planning goals, managing precedents, performing tasks, memory management, and also ensure that carefully understand the content of all class lectures. And that's it for the session, and today's notification shootout goes out to Ramaya Pila and Deb's Kitchen. Thanks for commenting, and if you guys want this type of shootout in the next video, don't forget to comment me below, and so I will shoot out your notification in the next videos. And so this is for today. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it, and so you will get my post notifications.